In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBook Term Loans. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or looking into their lending options, this guide will walk you through the essentials. First things first, let's head over to QuickBooks. For those of you who are new here or if it's been a while since you logged in, be sure to have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now, from the home page, you want to locate and click on Lending and Banking. This is where all your financial options are organized. So, look for the menu or tab labeled Lending and Banking on your screen. Navigating to this section opens up a realm of possibilities, allowing you to explore various options including loans, making it a central hub for handling your financial tools. And products. It's really designed to help you streamline your banking transactions within the QuickBooks interface. After clicking on Lending and Banking, you'll need to click on the option for Term Loan. This specific term loan feature is one of the solutions QuickBooks offers to help manage your cash flow effectively. By selecting term loans, you'll access detailed information about the loan products they offer, including terms, rates, and application details. This is a crucial step as making the right choice here can greatly impact your business's financial health. Navigating through loans might seem a bit tedious, but QuickBooks lays out the information in an easy-to-digest format that can help demystify the process. When you click on Term Loan, you typically access a platform dedicated to helping you view and apply for term loans directly through the system. This section is designed to show you the financial tools available for your business needs. Take a moment to explore the available rates and terms, comparing them to ensure that you find the best fit for your circumstances. In essence, navigating to the term loan feature puts you in a vantage position to make informed decisions about which financial products can best support your business's development and growth strategies. If you follow the steps outlined carefully, you'll not only gain access to the resources QuickBooks offers, but you'll also empower yourself to streamline your financial management efficiently. Remember, managing your finances with precision can make a big difference to your bottom line. So, there you have it. By leveraging QuickBooks' lending and banking section, you can explore term loans and other financial services tailored for business growth. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have further questions about navigating or utilizing QuickBooks for your financial management needs, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy financing!